In the heart of the French Revolution, dark shadow fell over the land. The year was 1793, and the Reign of Terror had begun. The revolutionary fervor that had ignited the hearts of the French people had turned into a ravenous beast, demanding blood. The revolutionaries, led by Maximilien Robespierre, sought to purge France of all counter-revolutionary elements, no matter the cost. The guillotine, that infamous instrument of death, stood ready to sever the heads of those deemed enemies of the revolution. The streets of Paris echoed with the sounds of condemned men and women, their final moments before the blade. Robespierre, the self-appointed guardian of the revolution, was a man of unyielding conviction. He believed that he was the embodiment of the revolution's ideals, and that his actions were justified in the name of liberty, equality, and fraternity. The Terror was not merely a bloody purge, but a systematic attempt to eradicate any dissenting voice. The Committee of Public Safety, under Robespierre's influence, implemented a series of laws known as the loi des suspects, which allowed for mass arrests and executions without trial. In the midst of this terror, ordinary citizens lived in fear. Neighbors spied on neighbors, friends turned against friends, and the once thriving streets of Paris were filled with whispers of suspicion and paranoia. Yet, amidst the chaos, there were those who dared to speak out against the terror. Georges Danton, a prominent revolutionary leader, was one of them. He denounced the excesses of the Reign of Terror, calling for moderation and an end to the bloodshed. For his defiance, Danton was arrested, put on trial, and executed by the guillotine. His death was a stark reminder of the price of dissent in the Terror's grip. The Reign of Terror reached its peak in 1794, with over 17,000 executions recorded. The people of France, once united in their revolutionary zeal, now faced a new enemy within their own ranks. Robespierre, once the hero of the revolution, became its most notorious villain. On July 28, 1794, he was arrested, tried, and executed. The Terror had claimed its most powerful victim. The Reign of Terror came to an end, but its legacy lingered. The revolution, once a beacon of hope for the oppressed, was now synonymous with terror and bloodshed. The French people would spend decades trying to heal the wounds inflicted during the Terror, and the specter of its excesses would haunt the annals of history. The Reign of Terror was a stark reminder of the dangers of unchecked power and the human capacity for cruelty. It serves as a cautionary tale, a testament to the fragility of liberty, and a reminder of the enduring power of the human spirit in the face of tyranny.